Tap three-point icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Select Call Ride. GeoWeed page will be opened. Tap on the Register as Taxi Driver. Go through the following call routing feature introduction screens and click Next. Agree to the terms and conditions. Click Start. Enter the following details and click Submit. Please make sure that you have entered correct email ID and phone number, which would be important for this feature. Upload required documents in the following page. Upload photo of your vehicle with number plate. Tap on arrow icon. After uploading, this screen will be displayed. Next, upload your license. Tap on the arrow icon. After uploading, this screen will be displayed. Click on Finish to complete the registration. Once your registration is complete, you will see the message like this. Your registration will be reviewed and approved by us in approximately 2 to 3 days.